Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification. So let's get right into it. Sometimes you might need to head over to your Facebook and log in and verify it. Or you can also do the same for your Messenger, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, whatnot, right? So your phone number is a must for each and every app right there. So for the verification, sometimes they might show you this the phone number you are just putting into might not be used for verification. All you need to do is call the help center of your specific SIM and just ask them that if your number is getting in any trouble, or if there is any sort of problem that is having with your number, or that might be solved right away by going to the help center. If that doesn't work also, all you can do is head over to the other number. Most of us have their second or third number, so just use that number for your verification. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can solve your problem, and stay tuned with us.